Hi Forex traders, hope you all are well. I'm an official member of FOREX BD. Today we will discuss how to do forex trading with mobile phone, how to do market analysis with mobile phone, how to draw support, resistance, trend line, pips, calculation, trade, A to Z. All the details are discussed in today's video. The video will show you how to do forex trading on mobile with all the facilities like laptop. Many people are requesting us to give a video on how to trade forex with mobile phone. Today's video is our small effort to keep your valuable request, because when you make a request, Forex BD try its best to keep that request with sincerely. So I would like to request you, those who want to do forex trading with mobile, watch this video patiently till the end, so that you can easily trade with mobile. And if you still don't understand anything, please let us know. If necessary, we will publish another video for you. And follow this playlist for more information and videos on forex trading with mobile phone. And I would like to request the well-wisher of Forex BD, please subscribe Forex BD's another new channel. Here you will find awesome videos for you. And those who don't subscribe our Forex BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. How to do forex trading with mobile. There are many of us who don't have a laptop, or have a laptop but have to analyze it with mobile phone because they stay outside a lot of time. Since the mobile app is little bit different, so many times we have to face problem, and this video has come up with a solution to this problem. First, you need to download and install the MT4 app from the Play Store, then log in with the MT4 account. Login in MT4 account on mobile is a bit different, so many people have trouble. So those who have trouble logging in should follow this video. How to log in mobile phone exactly shown here. First of all, go to the broker's interpage by clicking on the link given in the description below in this video, and you need to open a real or demo MT4 account in a broker. That MT4 login details will be mailed to you. Then you have to paste all the copies of ID, password, server from the mail. If you want to know how to open a real account or demo account, please watch this playlist. Here you will find all kind of opening, verify in all broker. First of all, open your app, then click on this option of mobile MT4. Then click on manage account option, then a new page will appear. Then click on the plus sign. You can see I am clicking on plus sign. Then you will see two options. Then you will click login to an existing account option. By clicking this option, then you have to type your server. That means you have to type your server, then search it. When you have an account with a broker, they email you and send the details of that account along with the name of the server there. If you have a real account in IC Markets broker, then your server will be IC Markets Real 1, Real 2 or Real 3, etc. They let you know by email. If you search by typing the name of that server, you will get it, or just by entering the name of the broker, all the server will come in front of you. Then you can choose it. You can see many options in this app. In the first one, you can see the list of currencies, or if you want to add more currency, then you can add currency in a new way by clicking on this plus sign and enter the name of that currency. Then you can go to the next option to see the chart. So this is the chart option. Then you can see your balance in the next option. So it's the balance option. And this option is to see your running trade. Surely you know how to make an entry on mobile. We are also showing it to newcomers. After clicking on this option here, you can select your lot size. You can increase and decrease lot size by clicking on plus and minus sign, or by clicking on it, you can enter the lot size for yourself. SL and TP you have to set up by typing. It's not easy to set up like a laptop here, so you have to write the point to set up SL and TP on mobile. The point which you want to take SL or TP will be written here. In other words, if you want to take SL in this option, then you have to write this point in SL option. Or if you want to set up SL and TP after taking a trade, then after taking the trade, you can come this option and set up TP by clicking on this option. But Forex BD will request you, personally you must set up NTP at the time of entry. Yes, you should set up NTP, must be when you make an entry, because if you trade trade in gold without SL, the price can go up a lot in a matter of seconds. Then you will face huge loss if market goes against you, which can lead a lot of loss, and in news time due to high impact SL can't be given easily, so you may face loss. So must be remembered that when you trading with mobile, you must set up SL and TP when taking an order. And many are regularly asking the Forex BD official team how to get Forex Signal. The Forex BD team is now working with a group where several group admins provide the signal. If you want, you must first see the free signal, understood, then join. Hopefully all Forex traders have already understood the importance of Forex BD's 10 pips, 20 pips SL based signal. Since many group admin traders are providing the signal, I would personally request you to apply less SL signal. Forex BD only work in this group, not the owner of this group. So any mistake in future, Forex BD is not responsible in any way. So be sure to check the free signal first. If you like, then join and work on low SL based signal. How to draw support and resistance. Once you click on the chart here, a chart of time frame will appear. Click on this option, you will see a new page. Here you will find everything you need to do analysis. Vertical line, horizontal line and trend line, all you find here. And to draw a resistance, you will click on the horizontal line from here. As soon as you click, you will be taken to the main chart. If you click on the place you want, it will be drawn. Then if you want to draw more support and resistance, you will follow exactly as shown here. And if you want to move this trend line, you can move by holding on to them. Click your trend line and drag it. Exactly this way you can move and draw very easily. And if you want to delete them, you can get the delete option by pressing and holding it. You can delete this line in other ways. For example, if you click on this option, the trend lines in your chart will show here. Then click on the delete icon and mark them all together or separately you can delete. If you want to color your chart of your choice, you can do so. For example, by going to this setting here and clicking on the color option, you will get a list. From here you can color the candle as you wish. Again, if you want to see your trading history, you can also see your story by clicking here and you can see the trading history at different times. Or if you want to see a specific time trading history, then you can see the trading history by clicking on this custom period and typing your date. In other words, the way you can do forex trading on a laptop or PC in the way you can do it through a mobile phone. How to set up moving average, how to set up indicator, how to draw Fibonacci with mobile, and most importantly, how to lock profit with mobile, reduce running lot size and execute running profit by executing the market. We already uploaded video about all this. So if you want, you can see this video, and if you need more video or if you have question, please let us know by commenting. We will obviously upload video about your topic. Now I will show you how to calculate pips on mobile. Suppose you have to take a sell entry in this place. This point is 1.28580. Now you want to give SL 20 pips. Then you have to set up your SL to 1.28780 in this option. Or if you want to set up your SL 10 pips, then you have to type 1.28680 in SL option. In other words, 10 pips means 100 point, 20 pips means 200 point. And if I say again in short, if the market moves 10 points, it will be 1 pips. And if the market moves 100 point, it will be 10 pips. This is how you can set up SL and TP by looking at the market price. Suppose you took a sell entry at this point, that is 1.28580, and after taking the entry you set up your TP 1.27560. Now after setting up TP, you want to calculate how many pips you took TP. In that case, if you subtract 1.27560 from 1.28580, then you will get how many pips you took. So if we subtract these two numbers, now we have 1020. Since 10 pips in 100 point, so 102 pips in 1000. So hope you understand how to do SL and TP calculation. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same. So you can upload your document in 3 accounts. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by Forex BD's link, you will get benefit. Forex BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and $1 account by Forex BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by Forex BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, this is the way how you can trade by mobile phone we all discuss here. If you have any question, please write down in comment box. Forex BD obviously try their level best to keep your request. So viewers, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. Forex BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.